Hi, I'm Bala Sarda, the founder at VAHDAM India, a homegrown consumer brand based in the heart of India. India, a magical land where countless cultures, flavors, legends, and ancient wisdom come together. No wonder our teas, spices, and herbs are the finest in the world. Makes you feel alive every time. Every day I feel blessed to be born in this incredible country and in a family with a 90-year-old legacy in the industry. And that's why I started VAHDAM with a vision to take the best of India to the world under a proud and ethical label. With an endeavor to disrupt a 200-year-old supply chain by eliminating the unnecessary middlemen. Today our products are sourced fresh from hundreds of plantations and farms in India and shipped to over 140 plus countries. Welcome to the VAHDAM India HQ, our home, where we create, curate, and innovate. This is where the magic starts. A sensory team evaluates thousands of samples every month to only choose the finest harvest every season, backed by rigorous quality checks throughout the supply chain. We meticulously attend to every stage of our production process to preserve and enhance the quality inherent in our products. Technology streamlines our processes. From our teas to our spices and herbs, automation makes everything more efficient. But our product is as human as it gets, as it will always be. All our products are packaged by a dedicated team here with immense love, care, and passion to give our customers an exceptional experience. With a wide-ranging portfolio of products, we cater to our customers in every market. As our products stand ready for dispatch, our fulfillment team does a final set of quality checks before our shipments embark on a journey that spans the globe. Our dream was to take India to the world, so we took charge of it. With a vertically integrated supply chain backed by in-house manufacturing, we are able to control the entire experience for our discerning customers. Now we dream to reach newer shores, empower more people, and make the world fall in love with India and everything it has to offer. Come join us in this dream, because we are only getting started. VAHDAM India, feel alive.